Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font size on your Craigslist posts. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to edit your font size within your post, then first of all start by creating your ad post. You can click on the post button at the top right or the post and add option. Now continue by providing your region as well as your location and choose the category. You will then be allowed to enter the details for your ad or your post. Now within the description section, you can use the HTML commands big and small. Just enclose the word big inside an angular bracket and then type in your desired text. Once you are done, type in /big inside an angular bracket once again to end the large font size. If you wish to use the small font, then you can use the small command enclosed inside angular brackets and then enter your desired texts. Then close the command by using /small inside angular brackets once again to end the small font size. Once you are done entering all of your characters within the description, and after you have entered every other detail as well, you can click on the continue button to finalize your ad. And once your ad has been published, you will notice that the text sizes are based on your HTML command. And there you have it. That is how you can change your font size on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.